Welcome to the Get Ready With Me event guest family edition. We're gonna do hair, makeup, outfit, but not only for myself, for the boys as well. So first I want to show you guys what happens when I let them take a bath in my bathtub. They decided to use my lavender sea salts that was filled up to here, and I told them they can use just a little bit, and they said that they just used a little bit, but what they meant is we left you a little bit. And this is lavender, and basically my bathtub needs a serious cleaning. This is great. Everything is wet, of course. So now we just need to feed them, and then I can start getting ready for the event. Oh my god, I feel huge. Can you show me your beautiful haircut? Wow, you look so handsome. You were so good today. Let's see Jakey's haircut. Yeah. Jakey, can you show me your haircut? Wow, look at you. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Mama, where are you going?
To put makeup on. Yeah?
Can we go to Amazing Water Park?
To an amazing water park?
Yeah, I want to go.
Where is it?
It's so fun and it's so nice.
What country is it in?
Toronto.
It's in Toronto? Where's Toronto? What country is Toronto in?
It's here. That's Toronto.
So you want to go there?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, so take your phone and where is it?
Check where it is.
It's spelled Wonderful Water Park.
It's called Wonderful Water Park?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Hold on.
Give me some cheekbones, cause this pregnancy took all of them away. You okay? Okay, so for the eyes, I use this new Tartist Pro, and I mainly use this color for base and then this color for just definition on the lash line. And this is it, but I'm super excited to try the other ones. And then honestly, the other thing that I use to make this kind of a wet look is this RMS. Can you open this RMS Illuminizer? It just gives that glow that's not like you put a mask on. I don't think you can see anything. So that I just applied on here. This helped me to create this. And this is it, I guess. Okay, show me how fast you can go. Benny, where are you? Where are you?
There's a table here.
I'm really excited for a new house where I'm gonna buy all new furniture and this is what's gonna happen. So excited! Okay guys, you wanna help mommy make me smoothie?
Yeah.
The baby's hungry, we need to feed the baby.
Yeah, my baby is not hungry.
It's not hungry? Okay, but my baby is hungry. So you're gonna help to feed my baby with the yummy smoothie?
Yeah. I have a chair.
Well, I have a baby, so I win. I win!
Mama, can I put this thing there?
Yeah, it's called almond milk.
What's almond milk?
It's milk made out of almonds.
That's very cool. Yes.
It's yummy for me.
Can I smell it?
Smell it.
Mama, can I smell it?
Yeah, sure. Okay, what else does Mama want?
Can I see? Smell that.
Guys,
like
it literally has
nuts.
no taste. There's no
Smell
smell.
the
There's no
nuts.
smell. What is this, Benny?
I want to put all of the smoothies.
All the smoothies? Okay. Now we're gonna put protein in it. Protein helps my muscles.
Can I?
Good job. And one more. Yeah.
I want them nothing. I need.
Yay! Uh-huh.
Are we done?
Yeah, are we done? What did you do? Oh, you know what else we forgot to put? Mommy wanted collagen. Thanks, buddy.
I put some sugar.
It's not sugar, it's collagen. Collagen is very good for pregnant women, you know? You ready? Yummy.
So here is all my room. Here is every day. Hey,
What should we do with your hair? We're going to a party. Can we put it to the side a little bit? Like this or not so much? Maybe this is a little weird.
No, it's not.
So, do you want it straight or curly?
Straight.
Straight? Oh my god, you are so cute.
And me?
Okay, next, Jake, you stand up. Whoa.
Whoa.
You whip that hair. You stand up, now it's your turn.
I want curly. Curly.
You want curly?
Yeah. No, straight.
You guys look fabulous. That's it? You think you look the best you could look? Okay, cool. Remember the movie, Home Alone?
Yeah.
He was putting his papa's cologne. Show me how he did it.
Mama. Ah! You do it.
Ah!
Like this. Ah! And I wanted to change my clothes.
Serving looks.
Put your head up. Okay, look awesome. But like we're not gonna wear the hat, right? We're not gonna wear it to the party.
Mama, I need to.
But then it doesn't go. Can we wear underwear today?
No, I don't want. I want to walk. I want to walk there.
Yes, you can. You touched it?
Yeah.
And how does it feel?
I want to be Mama, can I have a bowl?
Put it on.
No, I can't do it.
Oh, okay.
I'm sick now. Mama, I'm sick like you.
I'm not sick anymore.
No, stop it.
Wow, that looks very handsome. Show Jake.
Whoa, we made fantastic! You like that? Yeah. A giraffe.
You guys look so nice. Aww.
Hey, you look amazing!
Hey, guys,
Valeria, I need your help. I need you to put my shoes on.
I can do it.
need you to put the strap.
The strap.
Here, Jakey, let me do it.
Yeah.
Danny, come.
Next. Sweat.
Papa, what the
Hard work, right?
Very amazing.
Thank you,
So
Gigi.
amazing. Now it's my time.
Benny, which bag do you like more for this dress? Which bag do you like more?
White.
Thank you. Jakey, why do you kick it? This one?
Yeah. Like me.
We have a winner.
That's it. The boys said it. Thanks, guys.
It's party time.
It's party time.
It's party time.
Ow. Ah! Ow! Okay, let's go, boys. Let's go.